Welcome back to my channel. We're just going to make a real quick video tonight. We're going to do it's kind of like a DIY cheat. You guys have seen, if you go to the big department stores, you've seen all the display out for making pocket holes and, you know, the jig and the bit and the clamp and all that stuff. I'm going to show you a real quick way to bypass all that, get around that, and it'll come in handy for you. So here's what we do. I go to the hardware store, I pick up this tapered bit. I'll get in here and let you get a close look at that. That's a tapered drill bit. It has a collar on it. It's got a set screw on either side. One here, one here. This is an adjustable collar. You can move it in and out. We want to bring it all the way back. And we take our board. Now this is a rough sawn board, but you can use any board. You want to come down from the end about an inch, inch and a quarter. Start a little bit of a hole, real shallow, 1/16 of an inch. Bring this back to a real steep angle. You're probably 12 degrees off that board. Come all the way up. And you can see that bit come right out at the center there. That's exactly where you want it. Come out right there. So we'll do this once again. Down about an inch and a quarter. Start it. Come back to about 12-degree angle. And then you got another pocket hole. Now keep in mind when you drive the screws in on these, just drive them in until they're snug and until it pulls it in tight. So that was just a quick cheat for you guys on how to do a pocket hole, getting around the jig and stuff like that. Like I say, this is $4. $4 at the hardware store. You can go buy the jig and the clamp and the bit and all that, and that's probably $40, and then you gotta get into the special screws and all that. So this is just a quick way to bypass that. Things to keep in mind: go check out my other videos for other tips. Please subscribe. If you like the video, click that thumbs up. Check back with me later. We're going to make more videos, so I appreciate you watching, and we'll see you again next time.